super pumped about my new Ryobi power cutter. Definitely been looking forward to getting this. I actually had some things I needed to cut, and I'm like, you know what? Perfect excuse. I'll go grab one. So, did. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what's in the package. So, safety manual. 2-amp lithium battery. Charges with USB-C. So, this is really actually pretty cool here. Has the switch there and a safety down here, so you get to push both of them at the same time. This screws off like that. Battery goes in. Screw it on. Very cool. Look at that. So smooth. This is a really cool tool if you're making a lot of little quick cuts that you don't want to, constantly be doing with a blade. Just, it is nice and easy for those of you who have any trouble with your hands. I've been looking forward to getting this. It's one of those purchases that just fills you with a little bit of joy. It's fun, it's cheap, and it gets the job done. Again, this is the Ryobi 4-volt USB lithium power cutter. Cool little tool, really comes in handy if you're making a lot of small little cuts. Great for these little plastic containers. It's like the tool was made for it. Really enjoyed using it, really enjoyed buying it. Definitely check one out. Links are in the description. Go pick one up.